guys, thank you very much for joining. Today we're going to go over Pancakes by Goose. Just heard this song just a few weeks ago for the first time. I really like it. It's a lot of fun. I mean, who doesn't love pancakes, right? So we've got the intro riff and verse riff and the chorus chords to go over, as well as the quick little start to the solo as well. So we're going to go ahead and break all that down for you guys. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. Hit the bell for notifications. I do greatly appreciate that. If you are not new here, thank you for coming back once again. Like I said, we've got a fair amount to go into here. I do want to give a quick shout out, and I will put a link in the description. So there is I think it's Goose the Band Tabs. It's a WordPress website put together by Jeremy Buslot. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, but this guy is basically the Immels of the Goose world. So he's doing a lot of fantastic work. There's a ton of tabs out there that you guys can run through, dig a little bit deeper on some of this stuff. So I will definitely link that in the description. And yeah, let's hop in. All right, so Pancakes, a little bit different than your typical songs here. Intro and verse. We're going to be playing on a riff here, so we'll start with the intro riff. Okay, so we're going to start here on 5th fret of the A string. Hit that twice. Then 7th fret of the D. Then 5, 7 on the G. Slide from that 7 on the G to the 9th, and then 9th on the D. Okay, and from here, so that is, we're on the G, 5th fret, sliding into the 7th, then 7th fret on the D, back to the 5th on the G, then you're going to the 5th on the D, okay. So that is the intro for you there. All right, so a verse very similar here. Okay. So the difference here, obviously, towards the end there. So we're gonna go 5th fret, 4th fret on the G, 7th fret of the D. 5th fret of the 7th fret of the D, sorry, 5th fret of the A. Okay, and I would say this was definitely one of those songs you want to, once you have the basic structure of these notes down, you want to listen to it because it's a little odd with the timing here and there, but that is the general gist there. So that's the verse, first 3 times, and then the last time through to go to the chorus. The only difference you have here. So it's just going 5th fret, 4th fret, 5th fret here on that G. And this will lead you into the chorus. Riff's playing an F, and I'm playing it like this here. So I've got my index finger on the first fret of that B. Then I've got middle finger on the second fret of the G. Pinky is on the third of the D, and ring on the third of the A. That's how I'm playing that there. I'm playing that one there. Okay. So we go in F. So for the rhythm here, going basically two down strums, kind of a root note almost hit here, and then the strum. So, all right. So that second chord here, just barring the third fret from the D, G, and B strings here, which is I believe a B flat over F. Okay, so we're gonna play that. Then we've got a E flat. Tab is singing, so we've got an E flat over G. So you can keep that bar, and then you just put your middle finger on fourth fret of the B, ring finger on fifth fret of the D. And I get you that. Okay. So for that F, we're going to do a root note, strum, then one strum on that E flat, or sorry, the B flat, my bad. And your E flat here, and I'm doing 3 down strums there, and then 3 down strums on the B flat the second time around. So. The only other piece that I have right now is this little piece I play here leading into the solo section. Now, that's pretty fun to play around with too. Alright, so we're sort of here, third fret on that G. We're going to slide into there. Then sixth fret on the B. And then on the G, fifth fret, bend up, and pull off resolving on that third fret there. So first time through. We do that 3 times, and then to resolve it, just go on to the D, 5th fret, 6th fret. Alright guys, that's Pancakes. Pancakes in a nutshell. I hope this helps you guys out. Please leave me any feedback, comments below. See you guys again soon.